In this problem, we look at parallel and perpendicular lines. For the line 2x plus 3y equals 6, we want to find a line that's parallel to it containing the point 1, negative 1. We also want to find a line that's perpendicular to the given line that contains the point 0, 3. What we're going to do first is start with our given line, 2x plus 3y equals 6, and put it in our slope-intercept form. So we're basically solving for y here. We'll start by subtracting 2x from both sides. So 3y equals negative 2x plus 6. And we'll divide both sides by 3. And so we have y is equal to negative 2/3 x plus 2. Now in this slope-intercept form, we can see that the slope of our given line is equal to negative 2/3. We're going to need that information when we find the equation of our line that's parallel to it and the equation of the line that will be perpendicular to this line. Starting with the parallel line, we're looking for the line that's parallel to y equals negative 2/3 x plus 2 that passes through the point 1, negative 1. We know that parallel lines have the same slope, and we see that our given line has slope negative 2/3, so the slope of our line will be negative 2/3 as well. Now here we're given the slope and a point, so we can use our point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, to find the equation of our parallel line. It'll be y minus negative 1 equals negative 2/3 times x minus 1, or y plus 1 equals negative 2/3 x plus 2/3, and lastly y equals negative 2/3 x minus 1/3. So the line that's parallel to our given line passing through the point 1, negative 1 is y equals negative 2/3 x minus 1/3. Move on to the perpendicular line. Again, we start with our given line, y equals negative 2/3 x plus 2, and we're looking for a line that's perpendicular to this line that passes through the point 0, 3. Perpendicular lines have opposite reciprocal slopes, that is, the product of the slopes is equal to negative 1. Our given slope was negative 2/3, so the slope of our line, call it the slope of our perpendicular line, will be a positive 3/2. So we change the sign and we take the reciprocal. Again, we have a slope and a point. We can use our point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, or y minus 3 equals 3/2 times x minus 0. We'll get y minus 3 equals 3/2 x, or y is equal to 3/2 x plus 3. So the equation of our line that's perpendicular to the given line that passes through the point 0, 3 is y equals 3/2 x plus 3. And we could have actually written this equation down immediately by recognizing that the given point represents the y-intercept. That is, 3 is equal to b, so we could have used our slope-intercept form right from the beginning, put in our slope as 3/2, and our value for b is 3. That would give us the same equation that we got by using our point slope form.